Today I had to do some chainsaw sharpening, and I thought, well, I might as well show you how to do it. It's not that hard, and I've cut a lot of wood over the years, and I keep my own blades sharp. What I did about this little chainsaw sharpening tool, it was a Dremel. This part here, it has the guide. It shows you the 30-degree angle you need to sharpen your blades. And it come along with some sharpening stones, which they do wear out. You'll have to replace them. And you also need some kind of a rotary tool. And I've been through several of them over the years, but they don't last forever either, but they're sure handy. And this one, now I like to find the splice in the blade. Well, first I like to have the blade mounted on the saw. It just makes it easier. I can just roll it around then as I sharpen it. And the first thing I like to do is find where the splice is in the blade. And you can see this right here, that would be the splice. And I always like to start from the splice so I know where I've had it sharpened at, what point I started, and when I come roll back around to the splice, then I know I'm done. So you can see the splice there, and we start our tool up and we start sharpening. You see, you look and line the guide up with the blade and just give her a little sharpen there. You want to wear gloves. The blade's kind of sharp. Safety glasses are probably a good idea also. Does throw a little spark there. If you don't use this safety equipment, you pay for it later. And you see, I've rolled around to where the splice is again, and so I'm done with this side. And all you got to do is then go flip the saw around and sharpen the other, and you're done. And that's pretty much it. Ready to put the fuel and oil in the chainsaw and go cut some wood.